Hey guys, my name is Zippy, and today we're learning how to solve word problems. And we have a problem. A big problem. Come a bit closer. Hey, now, my pal Cookie, we met some aliens and they gave us some maths to work out, but they must have given us the wrong maths because it turned out to be a recipe and we tried it out and, well, let's just say Cookie is, still Cookie, but not Cookie. Hold on, kids. Cookie?
Cookie!
Yeah, as you can see, Cookie has turned into a cookie, and I need your help to solve this problem. First, we need to know the different mathematical language to solve word problems. In word problems, you'll often encounter different ways of telling you to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Let's go through this now. Now, as you can see here, there are different ways of saying addition. There is add, plus, total, sum of, altogether, more than, and increased by. There are also some different ways of saying subtraction. So there is subtract, minus, take away, difference, fewer than, less than, and decreased by. There are also some different ways of saying multiplication. There is multiply, times, product, and by. For division, there is also some different ways of saying it, such as divide, groups of, and shared between. Now, in word problems, you might find different ways of saying these words, so we must try to remember what they all mean.
Cookie! Cookie!
Shh, Cookie, they can't hear me if you're shouting over me. We're trying to solve this problem. Don't worry, and don't eat yourself, okay? Now, let's have a look at this problem. It says, Ben wants to buy a packet of biscuits. He gives the shopkeeper 65p. The shopkeeper says, you need 25p more to buy the biscuits. How much do the biscuits cost? Well, now that we've read the problem, we need to make sure we understand it. What is the word problem asking us to do? So we know Ben bought some biscuits. He gave the shopkeeper 65p, but he needed 25p more to buy the biscuits. What operation do you think we need in order to solve this word problem? Is it add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Well, if we read it carefully, we know he needs 25p more. So we can highlight the word more because we know that also means we have to add. Now that we know which operation we are going to use, we still need to finish the rest of the number sentence. So, which two numbers are we adding together? Well, it says Ben wants to buy a packet of biscuits. He gives the shopkeeper 65p, so we can highlight the number 65. The shopkeeper says you need 25p more to buy the biscuits. So we can also highlight 25p because that's how much we need to add to 65p to find out how much more Ben is going to need in order to buy the biscuits. So our calculation is 65 add 25p. And the final thing we need is to actually work this calculation out. Now, we need to make sure we choose an appropriate method that we have learned in order to solve this problem. So, I'm going to use partitioning. So you can see I have used partitioning to solve this particular problem because it required us to add two numbers together, and our answer is 90p. That is how much the biscuits cost altogether. So, this is the process we need to go through in order to solve a word problem.
Cookie! Cookie!
Yes, Cookie, don't worry, we haven't forgotten you. Now, first, we need to read the problem and understand what it is asking us to do. Next, we need to find out if it is asking us to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Remember, there may be different ways of saying these things. Then, we also highlight any other important information that will help us to write the calculation. Once we know the calculation, we choose the method that will help us to solve the problem. Now, make sure you practice this, as I need your help to solve the problem to turn Cookie back into, well, Cookie. Now it's your turn, guys. Have a go at one of the problems below that challenges you. Or, better yet, have a go at all of them.
Cookie! Cookie!
Yes, Cookie, okay. Make sure you show you're working out, and if you have any problems, remember, put your hand up, or better yet, ask those around you for help. Good luck, guys. We will see you soon. Bye!
Cookie!